Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well. So I've come with a video that is gonna make your life easier. So if you are a busy mum like me, so today's video is 4 healthy-ish breakfasts that you can put in the fridge, you can put in the freezer. There is all to do with batch cooking, and as you can see, they're all behind me. Yes, there is a few bits missing because we've had the family in and we've had, oh, Mum, can I taste that? Mum, can I have that? You'll see a clip at the end of the video of Amelia enjoying the pancakes, and she said it was the best pancakes that she's had. So I'm extremely happy about that, because then she'll eat it, and you can just top them with like fruit and whatever your favourite topping is. So you can just pop them out of the freezer. So I've made some American pancakes, eggy bread with cinnamon, breakfast burgers, which are a family favourite. They aren't the healthiest, but they are like a Friday treat. You know, they can just get them out of the fridge, ping them for about 50-60 minutes, not minutes, seconds, put a bit of sauce on, and then they can eat them as they're walking out the door. They've been tried and tested, and all the family seems to have liked them, apart from Darcy. Darcy's not tried them yet. And then we've got the breakfast banana muffins. So I hope you enjoy it. I shall speak to you along the way of making this, but if you do like this content, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, because as always, it helps the channel. And if it's something that you like, you know, let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, yeah, let's get into today's video. I hope you really like it. I hope it don't make you too hungry. And yeah, let's go. So here is everything that you are going to need for all of the recipes today. Some things are optional, like the chocolate chips, strawberries and marshmallows. So you can just put in what you would like. So I am gonna now set the oven to 200 degrees, but everything that you will need to know will be listed down below. To save cleaning, not only is this a good video for batch cooking breakfasts, but I'm also doing a lot of things in the same pans with the same trays. So I've just popped the sausages in the oven. I've set my Hey Google for 18 minutes. And now I'm just going to crack on and do the eggs. Get it? Crack on. Ha ha ha. Really funny, I know. So I'm just going to oil the pan really well. Didn't realise how much oil I'd just put in that. Crack the eggs in, and then I will slice up the muffins. because we want them well cooked but to be able to put them in the fridge. So once I've done that, I'm going to turn the sausages. Now, I don't really know if you have to do this, but I think it's just something I am in habit. If you've got an air fryer, this would work really well because they'd be done in half of the time. I think I cook them for 18 minutes, but I think in the air fryer, if you've got one at home, probably about 8 minutes. But I was using the oven all day, so I thought, you know what, it's easy just to use one thing and it'll keep it warm. So I'm just popping the eggs on now, and then I will top them with the sausages. Then I'll put the cheese slices on, and then I'll pop the tops back on, and then I'm going to leave them to the side to cool before I pop them in the fridge. Now here is the ingredients for the breakfast muffins. I just want to say, if you're not a banana fan, you do not need to add it. It won't affect the recipe. You can add something like apples, strawberries. Don't not make them just because they've got banana in. And like I say, Oliver is on a bit of a milk ladder at the moment, so I have used our milk. I haven't changed recipe to put his milk in because, like I say, this will be cooked, so he should be okay with this. So yeah, once I've popped all the ingredients in, and then I'm going to give it a good blitz, and then I'll put the dry ingredients with it. We'll pop them in some little bun cases.
What we're adding in ours this time we're making them is white chocolate chip, and marshmallows, which the kids love. So these are just for the kids. Me and Jack don't normally have these. I suppose you could make less muffins and make them bigger. That would probably be more of an adult's portion, but these are quite small, and the kids will probably grab one of these in the morning with just a piece of fruit. But like I say, you can put anything that you like on top. You can put some fruit. Frozen berries would be really good. We might try that next time. But for the moment, the girls chose chocolate chips and marshmallows. So this is a new one for us, this French toast. We've not had it before. I did see it on another channel that I watch quite regular, and I thought, oh, I'm going to try that. So my children aren't massive egg eaters. Let me know below, do your kids eat a lot of eggs? Mine don't, but we don't really eat a lot of eggs. So obviously that's why they probably don't, but I really want to introduce them because I think they're really good for your diet. They keep you fuller for longer. So I only added 4 eggs to about 8 slices of bread. If you are going to do that, I would really recommend using maybe 1 egg per slice, because we got to about the 6th slice of bread and I soon noticed that we didn't have a lot left. So the last 2 slices were like bare minimum. So there was more like just warm bread. So I'm just frying them off here. They take 1 minute either side. So really quick, really easy. And they are so delicious. We tried them yesterday morning with some bacon on top. Very American, I know. But they were really tasty and really yummy. And the kids love them. American pancakes. Oh my God, these were delicious. If you don't make anything else out of all these 4 recipes, make these. I learned the second time to give it a quick stir with the fork, because you should have saw my kitchen with the muffins. The ingredients went everywhere because I just stuck in with the blitzer and it blitzed everything. So I was covered from head to toe in flour. I'm just keeping it real. So give it a good mix. Like I mixed this for about 4-5 minutes. So it was really mixed together. The consistency was quite thick. And then I should have maybe used a bigger pan. Why I didn't, I don't know. Sometimes I do question my actions. So I could fit about 2 into the pan, which obviously took a lot longer than normal. But like again, so as soon as you put the batter in, as soon as you start to see little bubbles on top, this is when you can flip them, and they literally grow double in size, which is fab. Big fat fluffy American pancakes. And like I say, a lot of fruit, syrup, Nutella. You can add whatever you want to them. Sometimes the kids will even just ping them in the microwave for 30 seconds once they're out the freezer, because I maybe take them out the freezer overnight. We'll ping them and they all just eat them on their own.
No, they're amazing.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know when we went to that, like, on holiday?
Yeah.
And they're like really thin pancake better than that.
Are they?
Like really nice.
3 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped its head. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So if you're still here and you haven't run off to the kitchen, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps if you are a busy family like ours. So the kids are still off for another week, but I thought this would be a really good video for back to school. So, because you can, like I say, you can batch cook this, and then if you are, like some mornings we have to leave the house before 7:30. The kids get up at 6:30, the time they're ready and washed and sorted. We need to be leaving within the next 10 minutes. So for them to sit and eat a bowl of cereals, not always the quickest breakfast, is it? So I know that they can grab these, ping them, pop them in the toaster, and then we can get straight out the door. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support, and I shall see you next week. Bye everyone.